Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Vichi Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can recover a T-Mobile Money account. By recover, I mean, let's say you forgot the password of a T-Mobile Money account. All right, you can just follow the step which I'm going to be showing you to recover or reset your account's password. In another word, you can change your password without knowing your older password. All right, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and let's get right into the video. First step, you want to search for T-Mobile Money login. You want to click on the first link over here. After you click on the first link, you want to go on where it says login. Once you click on login, it's going to take you to its login page. Once you're in its login page, you just want to click on forget password over here. After you click on forget password, it's going to ask you to enter the email or phone number which is linked with the account. Alright, so I'm going to enter my email over here. Once you enter the email, it's going to ask you to choose a method, which means whether you want to verify using your email or using a verification code. After you choose the verification method, it's going to ask you to verify your account according to the method you chose. After you verify your account, you're just going to ask you to change your password. Now once you change your password, basically a new password will be set. So that's basically how you guys can change your password on T-Mobile Money or recover your account. Hope you guys were able to understand. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye until then.